How's it going, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into ELEGOO's ASA in white. So I needed ASA for a project that I got going on, so I picked up this one and decided to try working with it. I do like ELEGOO cardboard spools, always good to see. I'm personally a fan of them. Nice tabs that make things a little bit easier to get all opened, just as a whole thing. But yeah, this white isn't exactly as close to a pure white as I would like. But overall, I'd say looks pretty good. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the filament dryer, and I will see you back here for the benchy slicing. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case generic ASA. So we'll get this sliced up, and it should take about under an hour, which is always good to see. So we're going to get that printed and sent over, as well as all the other test prints done, and we'll have them back here. Alright, so here are all the test prints that I do as part of this entire process of testing every filament in every color. Going from left to right, we have the generic benchy, the dimensional cube, the temperature tower, retraction test, max volumetric speed test, overhang test, and the benchy after getting those things dialed in. So, like I said, we always start out by printing a generic benchy, and we're going to just take a quick look at that. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Again, a little bit of, actually quite a bit of stringing. So we're going to see about trying to rectify that in our settings as best we can. I talk a little bit more about that when we get to the temperature tower. Next up, we had the dimensional cube. This one, 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters in spiral Voss mode. It has a little bit more strength because, I mean, again, this is ASA. By the way, you gotta make sure you're printing in an enclosed printer. So here you can see a lot of stringing at all the temperature towers and the spikes there. Basically, just for whatever reason, I couldn't figure out how to fix it with temperature. But I recommend this one. Looks to be the best one would be probably about 260 Celsius. That one just ended up looking the best without any sort of globbing or anything like that. Just moving forward. So next up we have the retraction test. No real stringing on that, as far as I can tell. Max volumetric speed test. So this one was good. I mean, very little issues with any of the anything there, as far as I can tell. So went up to 28 millimeters cubed per second. Next up, the overhang test. Overhang test. We did have quite a bit of issues on the backside when it came to detail. Just something to be on the lookout for as you get to the higher dimensions. Next up, we had got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy, and as you can see, it's considerably better with less stringing. Again, all the changes I made are down below. So you can pick this up at Amazon for less than $22 per kilo. Always good to see that. My overall thoughts are, look, if you have an enclosed printer, because the fumes are not great to breathe in, and the smell itself isn't perfect, and it makes things a lot easier to print on an enclosed printer with ASA, you ought to check it out. I mean, a good price for it. I think I would prefer a more brighter white. That's just me. But overall, I'd say pretty good. Anyway, that's been ELEGOO's ASA in white. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do all the nice YouTube things. It really does help. I'm a relatively new YouTube channel. And it goes a long way. And it costs nothing to you. But anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. I hope to see you back here at the next full review. Be sure to be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I'll see you then. All right, thanks.